Today I want to show you how to do a water evaluation on a window install. Now notice I did not say water test. I am not a certified water tester. Now,
before I continue, I need to stop for a moment. I need to explain the certification. There are two procedures going on here. The AAMA, the American Architectural Manufacturers Association 502, is a guide developed by AAMA. This guide illustrates the proper testing procedure that was originally created by ASTM, the American Society for Testing and Materials. The main ASTM test procedures that people follow with our products is the ASTM E1105. So the AAMA guide is used to test a window as defined by ASTM.
Now there is an ASTM certification where you need a special rack. This is a handmade rack that I made. The ASTM certified rack has a special size orifice and you need to have so many PSI for it to be tested at. I am here to isolate a leak. So hopefully I can show you how to do that. So let's get started. So on this particular unit, we got some infiltration here. It's been reported between the trim and the top of the window. So before I start putting any water on this wall, I'm going to take a moisture meter and I'm going to do a reading around the entire wall. And the higher the moisture content in the wall, that's going to help us localize where the water is coming in. So we'll get started on that. So I'm going to go ahead and take this moisture meter and I'm going to write it with a marker on the tape. Don't put the tape on the wall and then use a marker and have your marker bleed through on your wall. So we'll go ahead and we'll get these moisture readings. I have permission from the homeowners to go ahead and remove this trim. This will help us locate where the water's coming in. I'm going to take some of these blue paper towels and cut them in strips. And then I can take these strips and put them in there. And then that way we can see if the water is wicking out. Okay, we managed to get the trim off without breaking anything. Yay! Okay, as you can see here, we put some paper towels in here and we're going to use these to act as a wick, like on a candle. So any water starts pouring in there, it'll hit this first. That way we don't have to hit this window with too much water. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and clean off the surface of this window by using some isopropyl alcohol and some paper towels. And we're going to use some of this red stucco tape. This stucco tape actually has a 7-day clean removal time. So if you use inexpensive duct tape, it's going to leave a real bad residue on your window, and it's going to be very difficult to take off. So let's go ahead and get this cleaned up. We'll tape the perimeter of the window first, and then we'll take the plastic onto the window, and then tape the plastic to the tape that we put on there. We got to make sure there's no creases in the tape whatsoever, because you don't want any water to get inside behind the plastic. So let's get to it. Okay, we're just going to clean this up. Make sure we have a nice clean surface for the tape to stick to. Okay, I got the window taped off and see how nice and flush it is here. There's no wrinkles. So we want to make sure it's good contact before we go ahead and put our plastic up. So make sure, even though that's there, but if you look here, it's making perfect contact with the frame. As you can see, it's all taped off. I think I forgot to mention, start taping the bottom first. And once you do the bottom, do each side and then do the top. All flush, there's no gaps. Make a nice contact all the way around. Now we can set up the rack. Now that we got the window taped off, let's go ahead and turn on the sprinklers. We'll set a timer and see how long it takes before it starts to leak. Okay, we got our timer set. We're got the water running and we're waiting to see how long it takes before water comes in or if water comes in at all. So I'm gonna take a flashlight, we're going to take a look in there and see if we find any water. Okay, we found the source of our leak. You see right there. Hopefully you can see that water drop. It's coming over the top of the window. And also up here, you can see the plywood is saturated here. All right, where it was 72, now we're at 81. Wow, we're at 96 here. Well, there you have it. That's how I check for water infiltration. As you saw in the video, water was dripping over the top. So I suspect that this corner gasket, when they put it on there, they didn't put any sealant on there. So that needs to be corrected. So if you found this video informative, please hit the subscribe button below, and that helps me out. Thank you for watching and have a great day.